Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make a Squarespace website public. This is squarespace.com, and to make your Squarespace website public, first log in to your account, then click on this website button below your desired website. From this left side menu, click on this settings icon, then go to site availability. Click on it, select public. As you can see, anyone can see this site, and hit save. Close this window. Now, to verify that my website is really available to the public, I will give it a visit in the incognito mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on built-in, select your website address, and click on open link in the incognito window to avoid visiting it as a contributor. And this is how to make your Squarespace website public. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.